my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. I will be reviewing Nadula hair today, so let's get right into it. So here is the hair, but first I am going to show you guys what I have in my entire box. So they did give me a nice wig brush, some lashes that I actually been wearing and they're so cute, and of course a wig cap. I have a fashion silk scarf, and I also got this Nadula band to wrap your hair with, and of course the Nadula dust bag because I never keep the box. I always keep my hair in the bags. So this is the hair straight out of the box, you guys. This is a 4x4 lace wig. This is a bob, you guys, in 12 inches long. Look how bouncy this is right out of the packaging. With this unit, you do get a comb on the side, one in the back with your adjustable straps. I went right ahead and started to apply my glue only around that area because, as you guys can see, this is only a 4x4 lace room of lace. Now, if you are beginner friendly with wigs, I would definitely recommend a 4x4 room of lace because there's not much to apply. It's very easy. So yes, it's less work, of course, and it's just so damn easy. So I would definitely recommend getting this. Now, as you guys see, I am applying the lace. When I first put this wig on, I'm like, what's happening here? I wasn't pleasant with it. Like, I just was just like, what's happening? I was kind of confused with it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, this is not it. But wait, hold on. Let me show you guys. It is it because I like really underestimated this wig. So I had to change my outfit and all, you guys, to like really get into this hair. So as far as the lace go, I am going to make the lace more melted in the front right there, so it's not as melted as I want it to be. And here I am just making the wig flat. My hot comb did break. This is what I've been using until I purchased me a new one. And then I'm using my Tresemme extra firm control mousse, and this is just making sure that it lays down flat, and it helps also with flyaways. So we want to make sure that your wig is flat, honey, especially with a bob. You do not want it to be bulky because then it starts to look like a wig, and we don't want that. So here I am about to start plucking the units, and like I did say, I am going to make this lace a little bit more melted in because it's not as melted as I want it to be. You can still see the lace a little bit. So you guys are going to see me do that in a few. I also did grab a little bit of my powder. You can either grab powder or concealer, whatever is your preference. Me, since the hair is so light and blonde, I like to go in with powder. And you want to make sure with blonde hair, you want your lace, your parting space, to look like it's actual scalp there because the hair is so light. So I only put it in my parting space and just a little tad bit in my hairline. And as you guys can see, I was trying to figure out if I wanted to cut the flips right there in the front, but I end up not cutting the hair at all. The hair is perfectly cut, and I'm going to show you guys that in a few when I start flat ironing the unit. So I grabbed my Tresemme extra hold spray. This is what I'm using to melt down the lace a lot more better. So I'm just going to apply this right across the lace, and then I am going to apply my band across just to make sure that it's laid down flat. Here I am doing that now, and I only stay this on just for a couple minutes just to make sure that, you know, I'm melting that lace down. So here we are. So as you guys can see, the lace look 10 times more better to me, in my opinion. It doesn't look super white across the area there, and I'm happy with it now. So I'm just fixing and making sure that, you know, my hair is not stuck on the lace. So look at that, y'all. nice and blended. So now I am about to start flat ironing this unit, and that's when I noticed that this hair was like bomb, y'all. It didn't take me much to flat iron this unit because this hair was already like pre-bumped for me. So as you guys can see, it didn't take much. So that's what I loved about it. Like, look how it came with its natural body. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was just so happy with it. Like, soon as I started, I'm like, yes, this is it. The length, the like layers, the cut. I didn't have to cut anything. I thought I would have to cut it shorter. I was so happy with the length, you guys. I'm just like, yes, this is a bob. I just love the fact that it came with its own bounce, and I just needed to go through the hair just a little bit. Just a little bit. Y'all see me? I started to feel it. I started feeling it, honey. Like, it's really bomb. So you guys can watch me while I go through this process, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about the hair. I'm obsessed with it. I really love it. You guys, I am totally obsessed with this hair. It was so easy to apply. Like I said, if you are a newbie with wigs, you gotta get this. So easy. Even when you're not a newbie, like if you want something quick, get this, okay? I did apply a little bit of my pink glosser to the hair. I applied a little bit of my other spray, which is good for flyaways, especially with blonde hair, because y'all know with blonde hair, all you do is get a lot of flyaways. So you want to make sure that you you're taming that down. And look how flat and soft and bouncy this hair is. I did not have to do much. This is what the wig is giving. I love it. I love it so much, y'all. Look at the bounce. Look at the shine. Look at the texture. The density is perfect. As far as shedding go, I didn't get any shedding with this unit. It looks bomb. Okay. No shedding. Of course, you get a little shedding. His hair is normal, you guys, but nothing extreme. Love the unit. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this wig review. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Love you, baby dolls, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Mwah.